Maybe a can of soda there for the reference, size reference. So this is the Yost 480 next to the Doyle 6-inch, 6.5-inch, I guess is what it is. The Yost is about probably half an inch taller. Obviously the jaws are wider on the Yost. Both have the cushion handles. Doyle's got a front bearing, or I guess a cap retainer, I guess. Shaft retainer. Yost has a single one as well on the bottom. The Yost is about, I think, 15 pounds heavier or 20 pounds heavier than the Doyle. But both the Doyle and the Yost have about the same kind of fit and finish. They're both pretty good, pretty acceptable. One of these is going to be going into my workshop and the other one's going to be going into my garage. I'm tired of messing around with smaller vices in my garage. This is actually a Win 5-inch. This is actually a fairly decent little vise here. I just have it down on my little hobby, home family repair table down in the basement that I'm setting up. Give you a once around of the Yost. I really just wanted to put this one up because you never see any of these on YouTube. There's a size comparison for the both there. Yost says this weighs right at 80 pounds, and Harbor Freight says their 6.5-inch Doyle weighs 69 pounds. Let me put this down and I'll flip it over and let you see the bottom of both of these. Obviously this is the Yost here. This is a cast bar on these. Fit and finish on the underside looks to be alright. It's the underside of the Doyle. These pieces are cast as well. And it seems like the Yost mounting plate is just a hair bigger than the Harbor Freight. Obviously you can't see the lead screw or Acme thread in the Harbor Freight, the Doyle, because it's enclosed. But I was looking at both these two for one for my workshop and one for the garage, and I just saved up enough money and bought them both. I had seen the Doyle up hand and used it beforehand at a friend's house, and I really liked it. But all right, I think that's gonna do it. Take care.